Okay, so we need to put batteries in the Raspberry Pi car. And so what you want to do is you want to push down the ribbon. Then with your battery, make sure that you have the flat end, which is the negative end. You're going to slide that in first, push in on the spring, then push in the top, make sure it snaps. Make sure that ribbon is sticking out so that you can easily pull it back out. That ribbon's there to help protect the battery when you remove it. So make sure it's seated well. Then you take the other ribbon, push it down with your thumb or forefinger. Again, put the flat end first, your negative side. And I'm having a little difficulty here. And push it in. Straighten up, make sure it's seated. Then what you're gonna do is flip your car over. This is your power plug, and you're gonna put it into the power port. So this is the battery power port, and you're gonna slide it in there. And then you need to slide this toggle switch forward, and that turns it on.